Okay, welcome everyone. And so the very last thing I want to just talk about before we get going in RStudio with the next content of creating interactive graphics is if you want to work with RStudio locally on your computer, you can download RStudio and R for free onto your computer, and that will allow you to work on these documents regardless of whether you have an internet connection or not. This is optional. Everything that we're doing, all of these files that we're working with this semester, I'm going to post them in the cloud, Posit Cloud, and you'll be able to access them and work with them in Posit Cloud. So there's no requirement for you to install anything on your computer. So if you get nervous about installing stuff on your computer, I would encourage you to not do this, and you're just fine working in the cloud. I will be recording all of the videos working from Posit Cloud. But if you do want to install R in RStudio, you need to do it in those two steps. And so I have a link here in the HTML version of these documents. And if you click on this link, it'll take us to Posit's homepage. I don't want to leave this web page, so I'm going to open this up in a new tab. This takes us to Posit homepage, the install launching pad. And there's two steps to do this. The first thing you would do is install R. Okay, so you need to install R and you need to install RStudio, and you need to do it in that order. So first I would say I want to install R. It's going to take me into the R archive. And then from these links on top, I would choose which operating system I have. I happen to be working on a Mac. So I would click this. And now it has all of these versions of R. So you just want to make sure that whatever version of R you install matches up with your operating system. And again, if this gets a little overwhelming for you, then I would just say keep working on the cloud. Um, there's a Once you're kind of ready to go, you can see here for Mac users, there's two packages depending on whether you have an Intel Mac, which is a little bit older, or whether you have one of these new M1 chips, or for these newer Macs, you have a separate version over here. So you're going to want to go in to your file, to your computer, go to the About part of your computer, just so you know what sort of what Mac you have in this case, what operating system you have, what is it, an Intel Mac or is it an M1 Mac, those sorts of things. Similar questions for PC users. You just want to make sure you download software which is compatible with your system. So I would first come over here, download whatever the appropriate R package that I want for Mac. That's going to install R. After I've installed R, I would then come over and click the Download RStudio Desktop for Mac button. And that just took me straight to the RStudio version, the most recent RStudio version to install. This is giving you an important warning. I have an older Mac, so if I would have installed that version, that wouldn't have worked on my Mac. So if you have an older computer, then you're going to want to click on one of these download a previous version buttons. I don't want these cookies. I'm going to decline that. And then once you come over here, it's saying here are other various things that you could install. I want to install RStudio. So I'm going to go RStudio IDE. And I want to go through, there's commercial versions which you need to pay for. and there's open source version. So I'm going to go to RStudio desktop, download, and it takes me to a slightly different page than the one that we had over here. I want to download RStudio. Okay, that just took me in a big loop back to over here. And the point here is I see. I wanted to get an older version of it. So all I needed to do was click on this button over here that said latest versions. And then if I have an older computer, I just want to make sure I click on a version which is compatible with my operating system. So I would say if you have an older computer, you might be safer using the cloud. If you have a newer computer, then you might just be able to install everything without any issues. If you really, really want to install this on your computer and you run into trouble, just come by and ask me for help. I think we can do this in office hours or over Zoom. I just need to look at your screen, and I'm happy to help anybody install. So maybe what I should just say is if you want to install this on your computer, you can try and do it yourself. If you run into trouble or you're nervous about doing it on your own, just ask me for help and I can help you install RStudio on your computer. Otherwise, if you don't want to worry about fiddling with this at all, then you can just work with Posit Cloud. And that's what I'll be doing in my videos. Okay, thanks everyone. We will, next set of videos is going to actually be working with the Plotly package in RStudio. So at this point, I want to make sure that everybody is able to access RStudio, whether that's in the cloud or through a desktop version. And now you've gotten a quick little tour of working in RStudio. And now we're ready to get going with the materials for this week. Thanks.